your perspective, obviously, not from Career Builders.
No.
What are some of the thoughts you've had from the show, and maybe some key messages you'd like to share with the audience?
Thoughts on the show. I think it's really been interesting to be able to see the change, and the change that I actually see is some of the areas that I understand Career Builders actually going into, believe it or not, which is really more about utilising the data and being able to share information.
Sure.
And to be able to provide information that matters. I guess that's what the difference is.
Sure.
The information that matters means it helps the organisations manage their business and to be able to work out where the path is that they need to be able to go. Now, previously, I think for a lot of job posting solutions, it's been more about just posting.
Absolutely.
Right? And I see that nearly all of the vendors are taking a move now into more sort of business intelligence.
Absolutely.
And that wasn't meant to be an ad for Career Builder.
Yeah. Well, the number one commodity is information, right?
Yeah, absolutely.
Yeah. Anything, what are some of your goals with Recruit Advantage for the show?
Really to be able to get an awareness, I guess, within the American staffing community about the tools that we have to be able to offer. And I see that Career Advantage is on that same sort of trajectory. We see that there's a huge change in recruitment and in the way that recruitment data is actually managed. And so our vision and goals going forward is to actually provide, again, another source of business intelligence, but from a different perspective. You have the input, right?
Sure.
We have the rest of the information, and we want to be able to utilise both the input and the rest of the information to provide business intelligence to our clients.
That's great.
Okay,
Great.
And we won't forget about the job seekers also, because they also need the same sort of thing.
That's right.
They need more information. They need to know where the jobs are, how to prepare themselves for those jobs. And I think we've seen a lot of things like videoing, interviewing, and we've seen other types of initiatives taking place, but still the whole process is more or less the same. And I think it's probably going to be a time where there is going to be a different approach,
Absolutely.
right, to the whole job seeker experience.
Well, and I think as the war for talent comes back, and especially in the staffing industry, that's our product.
Yeah.
And we need to make sure that we're creating unique experiences and adding value at the job candidate level, because even our data shows that 46% of the time that candidates will become a buyer of staffing services later on. So it all comes full circle.
And a user, hopefully, of Recruit Advantage.
Absolutely, absolutely. Well, thank you very much for your time today, and enjoy the show.
Okay, pleasure.